go for the second one. There are two types by using this function. Next one is the as type method. What method? Good. You guys are up to the mark in preparation actually. Yeah, we done. Previously object. Now successfully have changed. This confirmation is really required. We need to see a confirmation before and after conversion. Okay. So seems to be now we are playing with description column. Description having all string related value, around it is having 5 lakhs plus value. I wanted to convert all these uppercase values into lowercase, then hold on, just good. Imagine if it is a string, especially object single column you are accessing. If single column contains string value, do you want to apply any string related operation? You need to call one attribute name is a str. Then you can go for string related operation. Next one, you're accessing single column. If the single column contain date related value, what value? Date related, you need to call attribute name is a dt. What is it attribute name? From our session I have covered actually. Then after that you can apply almost all operations. Okay. Yeah. We are string method, string operations method. Some object will get actually. Fine then. So left hand side, if you are able to see this kind of syntax, adding a column. Two cases. Case number one, if it is new name, new column will be added actually. If it is a old name, old values will be replaced with. You tell me new name or old name? Old name, old values means all these old values will be replaced with this operation. That operation is returning value. New values actually. Okay. We done this. And you guys kindly please walk through. So seems to be you are able to capture these are all, and what are all top missing values. Then can you help me? We are just trying to handling missing value. What is the method name? Drop any. As of now I have covered 3 methods. Drop any, fill any, replace. Fill any, replace. We covered actually. After dropping is in blah blah blah. We done these are all. Data frame information, checking the number, no missing value, clean data set cleaned actually. Customer ID floating, we converted into integer by using a method name is a as type method. And the data frame having kind of some, especially quantity column having minimum value. That minimum is supposed to be 0 or 1. Here we are getting negative values. Daniel, how come it is? Then we filtered that negative value and we done these are all steps, right? We done these are all. We filtered. Now, so next one, adding a column. This from here, I ran this cell yesterday, but I don't know, it didn't run over here actually, but that's still okay. More session sorted, adding a column. Can I give a small recap? Objects, ensure how to remember. What is the first object name? DF, sir, old object. What is the new object? DF underscore. Yeah, you remind me actually. New object actually. You know what? This one is a raw data. This is so called as a raw data actually, not processed. This is called as a processed data. Japan sir, processed data. What do you mean by that? Here having missing value, and here missing values are dropped actually. Having missing values. Having what exactly mean? Missing values, and it is even having negative values, negative values on what is a column name? Quantity actually. Quantity column, right? Yeah, Daniel. Now here, any idea? We have just tried to handled missing value. We have removed missing values. Then here also removed what exactly mean? Negative values. Life is happy. First one, always raw data. What data? Raw in the sense, not processed. Raw means not processed actually. What do you mean by raw? Raw equals to not processed actually. The data is not processed, right? You find then new object. Yeah, you're handling. You started removing missing value, remove negative value. You should know the difference. Okay? We are good to go. The terminology is important, sir. Where are we? Let me add a column. Adding a column, I can add quickly. Yeah, let me just try to add here. Good man. Cross verify column is added or not actually. Yeah, Daniel, column is added. What is the column name? Amount spent. Tell me. Amount spent. Left hand side, if you are able to see this kind of syntax, means adding a column. Two cases. New name means new column. Old name means old values will be replaced with, tell me, new or old? New. Then it is going to be added last position. It is going to be added what, man? I wanted to add in between. What I need to do? Very good. What method? Please, you should aware. అవన్నీ మీకు తెలిసి ఉండాలి. Move on quickly. Oh, checking all columns one by one. Is it required? Not required, but that's still okay. I'm just trying to engage in the content. Yeah, good man. So seems to be, we are adding, after I added a new column, we are checking. df underscore new na shape attribute. What attribute na? Shape. While accessing the attribute name should be match. Otherwise, yeah, good. Let's cross verify. Attribute error. You're right. Don't get a confused. Old one. This one is a new one. Sometimes people may look at the result, but not the object name actually. Please be focused. You have to aware. Right? So, Daniel, processor data, df underscore new. Old data, what exactly mean? df actually. Please focus on this. Okay. I need more cells. Can I prepare? Okay, enough. So today, quite interesting operations get. Till now you are clear? మీకు అర్థం ఇప్పుడు చెప్పండి. Yeah, move on. Rearranging. This I already covered during data frame introduction. Rearranging the column names. Rearranging the columns. What do you mean by rearranging? Imagine this is the data frame. Column names are like this. Something like a B, next one, so C, next one A. This one is original order. I wanted to rearrange. I wanted to what exactly mean? Rearrange. What do you mean by that? df only. Tell me first column name I wanted to give A. Next one B. Next one C. We can do that. I covered actually. Prepare a list. Prepare what man? List. Pass that list to the data frame as index actually. Then new columns data frame is ready. Right? Yeah, that's what we are doing. What exactly I'm doing? Let's take this one. Okay. We are just trying to doing this order. Columns order. Anyway, existing columns, this is the order. Okay, that's what previously we are printing actually. This one is a old order. This one is old columns actually. Old columns order. What is the old columns order actually? Can you tell me what is the first one? Invoice number. What is the first one, Sachi? Invoice number. What is the next one? Stock code. Next one, description. Blah blah blah. What is the last one? Amount spent. I'm planning to so rearrange actually. Rearrange the columns order. Okay, then prepare this one. First I need what man? Invoice number. The next same related word, invoice date. Here invoice number, that's okay. Invoice date according sir, it should be fourth one, but I wanted to bring this one into the second one. Yes, it is possible. The next one, stock code, description, quantity, unit price, amount spent, customer ID and country. Amount spent at last actually. Conclusion of the story, we done some sorting, some kind of order, some kind of what man? Daniel, you can just try to move on. You can just try to apply here. Everybody look at my screen. df underscore new. This is so called as a reinitialization. Chapter sir, reinitialization. Already previously we have a same object actually. Same object. We are taking the same object again and we are just trying to assigning it actually. Yeah, see, df underscore new columns order. Now this data frame having this order. What is the first column? What is the last column? Can we apply this? Let's apply this. Please understand, madam. Please understand. Very, very important. If you want, you can separate this. Can run this. Prepare a list. Yeah, Daniel, list is ready. Apply that list over the data frame. Cross verify if you want. By default, it is displaying like this. Daniel, I need to underscore list method. Oka method untundi dan lopala. Either you can go for list function. Otherwise, inside this index, there is a method. Method name is a to underscore list. What is the method name? we are telling, hey, index, you convert into list. There is a method. Method name is a to underscore list. Do you wanted to convert into index actually? I wanted to convert into list. Into what exactly mean? List actually. Then list of like this we can do. List of like this we can do. Or alternative. df dot columns dot to underscore list actually. Yes. Daniel, it should be, it's okay. Let me not confuse you. Perfect actually. Did you understand, man? I wanted to convert into list. Go for list function, up to you. Otherwise, inside index, there is a method. That method name is a to underscore list. Madam, what is the method name? You understand, I guess. Okay.